Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Ruby on Linux operating system, such as Red Hat, Fedora, suse. So first, let's open their terminal and here increasing the size little bit. Now here you need to use this command sudo dnf install Ruby. Press enter. Now you can get this and here you can see installing this Ruby and this all dependencies. Thereafter simply you need to write there y and press enter. So this is now total 10 packages there currently downloading. So here you can see this is now currently downloading, total is 10. Now after downloading this installing there. So Ruby, this package that install, let's use their clear command. Then after checking their version, Ruby minus minus version. So you can see 3310 that install. Now if I write there Ruby minus h, so this helping command that you can get there. After that, let's use this clear command and thereafter here I'm going to or run this hello world program. Let's copy and paste it there. Control S to save. Now saving on this download section, let's write there hello.rb. For Ruby, we need to give their extension RB. So here you can see this is. Thereafter, let's go into this. Here on the files, so on this file section, thereafter you need to go on this download here, opening this terminal. Opening the terminal. Now, thereafter, if I write the ls command, so you can get this hello.rb is there. Here, I'm going to print this. So here for running, let's write the Ruby, then hello.rb. So hello world, that's the displaying there. Thereafter, let's do some changes. So this is the code to add two numbers. So Control S to save. This save now. Thereafter here, let's write this command Ruby hello dot enter first number 8, second is 6, the sum is 14. That's of display. So by following these steps, you can easily install their Ruby inside the Linux operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.